how to view sensitive content on Twitter. So if you find this video tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel and as well as click on that bell icon on to help the channel with growing. So let's go and I will show you how. So if you are in your Twitter, there is no option for you here for this tutorial. So what we need to do is go to our browser and then log into Twitter. So once we have logged into our Twitter, what we will be seeing is the home page. So usually you will be greeted with the home page, and what we will do next is to tap on our profile. So our profile is located near the URL at the top, so you can see it as well in the top left corner for all devices. So go to settings and support under settings and privacy, and then privacy and safety, and then go to content you see, and in here you will see the option display media or sensitive content. So just enable it so you can see the content or sensitive content. So I hope this helps. Thank you for watching.